Hello, I'm Kevin Tolly, founder of the Tolly Group. Welcome to our Analyst Preview. While the industry calls it unboxing, we think of it as unpacking, examining both the solution and the broader context around this product. Over the next several minutes, we'll share the Tolly Group's perspective on today's offering. This video is sponsored by Cambium Networks, though we maintain complete vendor neutrality in our analysis and opinions. Wi-Fi has become mission-critical infrastructure in modern enterprises, and as device counts climb, so does the demand for smarter, denser deployments. Cambium Networks addresses this with a cloud-managed Wi-Fi 7 portfolio built around performance and flexibility, and the X7-56X is squarely aimed at the most demanding end of that spectrum. Where most access points rely on omnidirectional antennas that scatter signal in all directions, the X7-56X takes a different approach. Its integrated 60-degree directive antennas concentrate RF energy towards a targeted coverage zone. In ultra-high density environments like lecture halls, stadiums, or convention floors, this matters. Tighter signal control reduces inter-AP interference and lets you pack more APs into a space without clients stepping on each other. The X7-56X provides 3 radios, which remains uncommon in the market. The 2.4 GHz radio runs a 2x2 configuration, while both the 5 GHz and the software-definable third radio run 4x4. That third radio is the key to flexibility. Operators can configure it as a second 5 GHz radio to double capacity in dense environments, or switch it to 6 GHz to serve Wi-Fi 7 clients on the newer band. You are not forced to choose between supporting existing clients and delivering next-generation performance. The 6 GHz radio supports low-power indoor mode, using the building structure as a natural boundary to contain signals and avoid potential interference with cellular backhaul or emergency communications. Standard power operation with AFC will be supported in the future to accommodate situations where coverage requirements demand additional power. With a rated aggregate throughput of 17.9 gigabits a second, the X7-56X includes a 5 gigabit uplink port. That's an important pairing. Legacy 1 gigabit uplink simply cannot feed a Wi-Fi 7 access point at full capacity, so Cambium has sized the wired connections to match the wireless capability. On the IoT side, the X7-56X includes a built-in BLE 5.1 and an 802.15.4 radio with Zigbee, Matter, and Thread support on the roadmap. This positions the AP to serve as a convergence point for the growing number of IoT devices found in modern facilities. Installation is handled through an included multifunctional mounting system compatible with drop ceiling T-bars, electrical junction boxes, and flat surfaces. For precision aiming, an optional articulated bracket lets installers point the AP within a plus or minus 60-degree range without additional tools. That adjustability is valuable when targeting a specific seating section or high-traffic corridor. Cambium's CN Maestro platform manages the X7-56X across cloud or on-premise deployments. The license-free Essentials tier covers basic management needs, while the paid CN Maestro X subscription adds scale and advanced functionalities like deep packet inspection across more than 5,000 applications, AI-powered X assurance for proactive SLA monitoring, RESTful APIs, and 24/7 tech support. Organizations planning high-density Wi-Fi deployments where precise coverage control is as important as raw throughput should give the Cambium Networks X7-56X a close look. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe. You can find our email in the About page, and we'd like to hear from you about the types of products you would like to see us discuss in our videos. Again, I'm Kevin from the Tolly Group. Thanks for watching.